For this recipe we are gonna need 1 cup of soft dried plums, 1 cup of hazelnuts, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seed, half cup of hemp seed, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and some vanilla extract. First, we are going to start by grinding the pumpkin seeds in an electric grinder. I'm using my electric coffee grinder here, but you at home can use also a herb grinder or also a blender, whatever you have at home and whatever you feel comfortable with. Grind them for a few seconds until they reach this rough powder texture. Transfer them in a bowl and let them aside because we are going to use them later for coating the energy balls. Now we are going to start preparing the dough for our energy balls. Add the hazelnuts in a food processor or a blender and grind them just for a few seconds. To make our energy balls more crunchy, the hazelnut powder must have a very rough texture. Now we are going to add the dried plums. Make sure to use a good quality of dried plums that is soft, moist, and chewy. This will give you the best results. Blend the ingredients a few seconds until well combined, and then start adding the other ingredients, the hemp seeds, the almond butter, the maple syrup, and a pinch of vanilla extract. Continue blending all the ingredients together for another minute and check the texture of the dough. It should be sticky and able to keep its shape. Then transfer everything into a bowl. Very important tip is to taste the dough, and if you want a sweeter taste, you can add some maple syrup or other sweetener of your choice. At the end, we are going to start preparing our energy balls. Take some dough and roll between your palms until you form a ball, and coat this ball with the pumpkin seed powder that we have prepared before. Repeat this process until the dough is finished. This dough should be enough for 15 to 16 energy balls.